case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a riveting dispute that put lawyers and insurers under the judicial spotlight, the Arizona Supreme Court in 2001 heard the case of Paradigm Insurance vis. Langerman law offices. The crux of the case interrogated whether a lawyer, whose services benefited both the insured and the insurance company, had a responsibility to the latter, even without an attorney-client relationship. At the heart of the fray were Paradigm Insurance Co. and Langerman law offices. Langerman, initially favored by the trial court, found itself on shaky ground when the Court of Appeals upturned the early decision. The critical focus of this legal kerfuffle laid bare the question of whether an attorney-client relationship between Langerman and Paradigm indeed existed, turning the spotlight on whether liability could be thrust on Langerman for negligence that cost only the insurer. Intriguingly, the court clarified that the lack of an explicit agreement was insufficient to quash the existence of an attorney-client relationship. Consequently, the attorney who represents an insured party owes allegiance to the insured, irrespective of where the compensation comes from. Complicating the matter was the discovery of a potential conflict of interest. Langerman held representation for a claimant against another doctor insured by Paradigm, leading the latter to terminate Langerman's representation and seek new counsel. In a significant verdict, the court underscored that an attorney-client relationship did not necessitate an explicit agreement. Lawyers, even those assigned by insurers, were found to owe their primary allegiance to the insured. This responsibility carried with it the serious mandate of independent judgment in favor of the insured. The court's decision unraveled the thread of the appeals court's opinion partially. It also, intriguingly, partially reversed the decision of the trial court. The case, still fraught with legal complexities, was remanded for further proceedings, injecting fresh momentum into the discourse.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.